Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind to Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and Ethereum daily update. Cryptocurrency market had a mini crash. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. What you will get is an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, trading, scalping strategy, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see Bitcoin. So perhaps what we need to do is to draw two tools. First of all, we are going to draw the Fibonacci retracement from this top on 2nd March down to this bottom. You will see that the 42.250 was a very strong resistance level. And secondly, if we want to find it as a very strong, we will have to use the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom back on 24 January up to this top on 10 February and down to this bottom on 24. You can see that the two lines of the 0.618 with the Fibonacci retracement and the trend-based Fibonacci extension collide perfectly. So here it was a major resistance level. Okay, so in case that you didn't know, we didn't close above the first one right here on the daily frame, and therefore we couldn't get higher. Of course, on the 4-hour frame we closed above, but we just closed a little bit above. Okay, so it is like we found correction. Although if you want to be more sure about your targets right there, you should always check the daily and the weekly frame as you minimize the risk in the higher time frames. Of course, if you check the 4-hour frame, we closed above, but it wasn't enough. So what is next for BTC USDT chart? Is this something we need to worry about? Is this something that we should be going all the way down? No. BTC USDT chart on the 4-hour frame will be going higher. Right now, if you check USDT, we had a very sudden drop. This is why we turned green right here for Bitcoin, USDT valuation right there. And of course, on the 4-hour frame, we do not have with the RSI the higher low pattern that we want to see. Okay, so eventually this won't be so good to have actually a pump up. However, though, we have this higher low, higher high pattern. We haven't gone yet above the 70. So I'm assuming that we can hit the above 17. We can have a major breakout. I do not think, and I'm sure about that this is a correction like we used to have back on these days where we had lower lows and lower highs, ending up, for example, below the 34K. Do not worry about that. Okay, do not worry that we're going to see these price targets, but at the end of the day, we are going so much sideways right here. You can see that we are just going sideways and we do not seem to get even higher for now. We want to see, however, a breakout, and I think that we will be having a breakout. As for Ethereum against USDT, right now Ethereum is not looking bad. Instead, it is looking very good. I think it will go even higher. And Ethereum right there will be just going insanely good, and it won't be going down from this line right here to fall all the way down to 1.9k. I think we are going first to break the 3,000 Tether USD, okay, 3.2, and we are going to the 3.5k. If you ask me about higher targets for Ethereum, I will tell you that I do not know. Once we get to go into the 3.5k, then we might be having some pump up, but at the end of the day, I am not sure what we are going to do. 3.5k should be very good, but at the end of the day, I'm not sure about the next one. Okay, so Ethereum against USDT will be going higher, will be going upwards. 3.5k will be the case right here, and apart from that, I'm not sure. Bitcoin's dominance decreasing right now, and we had a major correction going on Bitcoin's dominance. I think that we are going to fall way down, and Bitcoin is going to have a descending triangle, and then we are going to collapse. Maybe we go a little bit higher, and then we are going to go down. This is when the altcoin cycle will begin. This is where altcoins will be pumping up, because if you invert the scale, this is what altcoins look like. Okay, we have an ascending triangle to the altcoins, right? So eventually this is what altcoins dominance looks like. We might be having, for example, for altcoins dominance, once we get to the bottom, we might be having a top right here, okay, and then we just break out. So for Ethereum, potentially this is very, very good. I think that we can go on to the 3.5k. For Bitcoin right now, we are mediocre, okay? We had the correction going on, but this is not something that you should be concerned or worried about, at least for now. All right, this is not something that will bring us down to the 30Ks. Anyways, for the very short term, I will go into the 4-hour frame. Actually, I am into the 4-hour frame. We have some targets to look at. We have the 40.7k. We have also the 41.778. And if we close above the 41.783, then we are going to the 43.5k. All right, 43.5 will be the next target. And of course, we can go potentially even higher. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. And of course, see you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.